Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. I'll share with you what I'm seeing right now that's going on right now with Bitcoin. On a larger perspective on what's happened here right now when it comes to when it comes to Bitcoin, we can see how we had this strong move up, a very weak pullback through here. It actually had some sort of an end of trend indicator. There's a bit of a false breakout. If I go back to my daily chart, I'll share with you what I mean by a false breakout. And we can see how that we had this level of support. The level of support came down through there. We had this whole level where it broke down, pretty much nothing going on. And then we broke up and out. This here was the trend reversal. And then we see a strong move back to the upside. So as we can see, that's what's going on there right now when it comes to the Bitcoin on a short-term basis. That's why I say it was an end of trend indicator, because it's probably like this is what the market does. They break back below support, get people short, and then they start to really rally it up and rally it strongly through there. So that's on what's happening right now. We're getting a bit of a short-term pullback right now. So by looking at this here, we can see how that overall we had a couple of different levels here. Firstly, we had this main level through here. So this level up through here, which is around that pretty much around that $10,000 level, which is a pretty strong level where it is right now. And then we have this major level of support around that sort of 8,000 to 7,000 through there. So I wouldn't be too surprised if we actually did see a bit of a backing pattern through here with Bitcoin, or even a bit of a sideways movement. That would be the best scenario for me anyway, personally. If we got a sideways movement and then we started the breakout, I'd be all over that like a fat kid loves cake. But by looking at Bitcoin right now, we can see how we had a lot of sideways. We've had not a loss. If we have a lot of sideways movement, that's probably likely to break up. Or even if we did get a bit of a backing pattern, and then if we do hold and break up, this is going to be a low, a high, a higher breaking pass here. That's when we're probably likely to see a nice move up with Bitcoin when it comes to that weekly chart. We can see how we had a very nice move up and then a weak move down. And if we're using like a one-to-one sort of a projection tool, meaning from the low of the move to the absolute high of the move, from there to there, if I grab that exact same level and if I bring that to the upside, from the absolute low to the high point, I can see how that's the $17,000 level is where it's likely to. We can see how we had this sort of strong level of resistance coming down through there, as you can see, like a bit of a flag formation, if you're going to call it that. All right, so flag formation, very strong move up, we're now broken out. Even if we do get a bit of a backing pattern through here, I definitely do see it picking up, and we're probably likely to run back up to 12, hold around that 12 to 13 mark, probably hold there for a bit, and then a rally back up to $17 would be a target for me overall on that weekly chart. Now, daily chart, guys, as I said before, daily chart, we can get a lot of swings, a lot of moves. And in the cryptocurrency level, there's going to be a lot of really good opportunities in the cryptocurrencies, like on a short-term basis, long-term basis, and so on and so forth. So if we look at, say, the charts on the 15-minute charts and so on and so forth, there can be some really good trading opportunities. If I go and have a look at, like, let me go back to here. All right, I'm just scrolling back to see. See that? Look at that there. Look at that there. Look at all that sideways, not much going on. Breakdown bar. And look what happened, right? Thing just got absolutely just slammed. So anyway, so that's what I'm seeing through there through Bitcoin, guys. Let me now go and have a look at the XRP. All right, XRP chart. So the first thing I do see on the XRP chart, let me go to the 1 week chart. The first thing I do see on XRP is, this is XRP. Let me go to XRP USD. Here we go. Cool. All right. So when we're looking at the XRP, we can see how the market had a low, came down, had a rally up, made a lower high, We rallied down, right? We created some sort of support level through here. We came back up, and look at this here. Look at this sort of end of trend false breakout. Now we've rallied back up. We've made some sort of higher high up here. So I wouldn't be too surprised to see sideways movement or a pullback, and then a strong rally up and out from here. This higher high is giving me a good indication that we're probably likely to stall there. If we go and have a look at the daily chart, you can see that if I bring up my overall support and resistance line, say through there, you can see how that was definitely a strong level of resistance. Came down, then once it broke, we rallied up. We rallied to the next level of resistance. I have a bit of a backing pattern now, a bit of a backing pattern, so it means a bit of a pullback. And now with XRP, we can see that that's what's happening right now. But even if we did get a bit of a pullback overall, long term, guys, I definitely see this thing's probably, even with a bit of a pullback, it's probably going to be a really good buying opportunity. So I might be buying some myself. I think long term XRP has a lot of good stuff going for it. If I also look at let me bring up the trend line itself. If I bring up my trend lines itself, you can see how we've definitely broken out of this longer term trend line through there. So I'll go back to my daily chart right now. You can see how we're definitely broken out of that long term, and now we're actually having a bit of a pullback right now where we are. So that's actually looking really, really interesting to see what's going on there, guys. So XRP right now does look like it's the confirmation for me to start a new upward trend would be a high low breaking past this high. If we can get a bit of a pullback through here, and then we break past these previous highs with this previous resistance around this 30 level, then I see a level, I see a race, and then I see race back up to at least 50 cents, and then probably a lot higher from that there. So that's what I'm seeing with XRP there, guys. Does look like it's starting to slowly bottom out right now, and it does look like it's got a bit of a bottoming pattern. A strong move down and a strong move up is a V bottom. Normally, when you get if we get a strong move down and a very weak move, that's not V bottom, right? But a strong move down, a strong move up, this is called V bottom action. What we need to confirm that is that if it does come back down, create a higher low, breaking past his previous high, this is a higher low, which is now signaling what? Which is now signaling buyers in control. So I hope that makes sense for you. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. So you're in this brand new Go to the Markets by the Board trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com. You're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go do that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.